Alright, so we know the holes are off. Now this is the fix for it. I wasn't set up to do this before, and I figured I'd turn the camera on because a lot of you guys want me to make these videos so you know how to modify it. It doesn't do me any good to tell you about something and not show you how to fix it, I guess. So here's what I use: carbide cutter. I like the angled one. You're just going to lay the hole back over to the bearing. I put the bearing in here. I put some Dicom on here. I used our half bearing that we have access to the hole. I scribed the hole, removed the bearing, and I used some duct tape. You want to protect the journals, you know, you're going in there with a carbide cutter, and if you do slip off, it'll give you a little protection. So we're going to lay the hole back. Like I said, it's scribed off here. Wear eye protection. Sometimes it's easier if you get it running before you stick it in there. Alright, that's it. That's all it takes. But if you don't do it, it'll be bad news if you don't do it. So this is why I told you guys to leave the galley plugs out until you're sure everything's ready to go. So now we're going to remove the tape, put a bearing back in here, and we'll make sure all our work lines up. I don't know how I picked this stand to use, but it's going to hurt you. Lay our bearing in here. Alright, take you guys off the stand here and find the button. There it is. Now you can see our can't see shit. There you can see the hole lines up now. And as little as that is, it's very important, you know, to have full oil to the bearing. This one needs to be done a little bit more. Actually, the bearing needs to be moved into position. I don't have the dowel pin in there, so. There we go. That one's good to go. And all we do is just move them over a little bit. You can see they all line up. You want to make sure that you know you have a clear shot. So there you go. That's how you go from half oil to the bearing to all the oil to the bearing. Hope that helps.